Alright, so this was still leaking. I had straightened it. Back end. Apparently it got dropped because the bottom pan was pretty damaged and very twisted. It's way out of whack. It's out of square. It's like a parallelogram kind of. But anyway, it's leaking between the base gasket and this rubber seal. So I have an idea. I'm going to stack two gaskets together plus about a third of another one at the back end. And I'm going to laminate them with aviation gasket sealant by Permatex. But in order to pull the power head on this, you got to drop the lower unit, 4 bolts, and unhook. You don't have to drop it all the way. You just got to loosen it up so where you can take the one fastener out of the shift linkage. So that's what I'm getting ready to do next. Alright, so I'm spraying Permatex High-Tech on the laminated gasket pieces. I'll put them together. And I'm hoping that takes up the slack for that slight out of true the back end of the bases on that 15.